Step 1. Choosing and finding your database. There are database pages for both the convert rolls and qualification rolls. The convert rolls record Catholics who took the conversion oath, thereby conforming to the Church of Ireland. The qualification rolls record Catholics who swore the oath of allegiance to King George III. Both of these databases are available in basic and advanced versions. The basic databases provide a simplified view, making them easier to navigate for general users. The advanced databases include more detailed information and are intended for researchers. How to access the databases. You can access the databases in three ways. Number 1. Using the menu at the top. Hover over Filter Records for the basic databases, or hover over Researchers for the advanced versions. A menu will appear where you can select either the basic versions or the more advanced counterparts. Number 2. Links next to example visualizations. Beside the visual examples, you'll find labels Basic under Catholic convert roles and Catholic qualification roles, leading to beginner-friendly databases, and there are also advanced links for researchers as well. Number 3. Scrolling down the page. There are two sections further down. Filter Records, where you'll find links to the basic databases, and Researchers, which provides access to the advanced versions. Step 2. Information about our databases. You will be met by a lot of information, and it might take a while to get your head around it all. What is all this? Well, it is a database. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of structured information, or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system that is composed of tables, columns, and rows. Columns in a table represent information related to a data field, such as all the given surnames amongst a given set of records, or all the occupations given within a given set of records. What is meant by a record? A record is a single row within a table representing a complete set of related information about a specific entity, such as a person. It is composed of single cells from multiple columns. Each row in each of our databases is a record of a person either taking an oath to convert from Catholicism to the Church of Ireland or taking an oath of allegiance to the then Georgian monarchy. Depends on which database you enter. Important note: frozen columns and data hidden from your view. Some columns in this database are frozen in place because they contain the most important details about the individuals mentioned in the roles. These frozen columns hide additional columns behind them, just as the right side of the view may also hide columns outside your current screen. To navigate these hidden columns, first, click on any cell in the database, and then use the right arrow key to move right and reveal hidden columns, or use the left arrow key to move back to previously visible columns. Similarly, some rows may be hidden above or below your current view. To navigate hidden rows, 1. Click on any cell in the database. 2. Use the down arrow key to move down and reveal hidden rows. And 3. Use the up arrow key to move back to previously visible rows. This method ensures you can access all of the available information within the database. Step 3. Unique features. Our databases offer several unique features that make finding and exploring records easier. The first unique feature is our index record or IR button. A purple button labelled IR appears after each record number. Clicking this button opens either an index version of the original record or a PDF of the newspaper report where the record was published. 2. Residence location or R.L buttons. 3 buttons, red, blue and green, appear after the residence information in each record, labelled RL1, RL2 and RL3. These provide links to location-based resources such as Google Maps, Townlands.ie and Longadam.ie. Step 4. How to find an index version of a record. To locate the index version of a record, follow these steps. Click on the cell containing the record number. Press Ctrl and C or Command and C on a Mac to copy it. Click on the IR button to open up the PDF. Press Ctrl and F or Command and F on Mac to open a search box. Click inside the search box and press Ctrl and V or Command and V to paste the copied record number. Finally, press Enter. This will highlight the record number in the document. Step 5. How to use the RL buttons. The RL buttons provide quick access to location-based resources related to a record's residence details. Part A. Understanding the buttons. RL1, 2 and 3 link to different location sources. Darkened buttons are active and contain links, while lighter buttons are inactive. Part B. Opening the linked location information. First, find the RL buttons. They should appear to the right of the residence information by default. Press and hold down the Ctrl or Command button on your keyboard while selecting the button by clicking on it. The resource will open in a new tab.